Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, December 23rd, 2015. And we had a very volatile market this morning. A lot of stuff has moved, and in every direction because the gold is down. The U.S. dollar is going up, beginning a new bullish cycles. And the Nikkei was closed because of the holidays, and the China went up because on one thing, they said that they were going to extend the trading hours on the yuan to make it more attractive for the planet. And the London market has been going up because of the good result in the U.S., despite the fact they were just as expected, and because of the increase of the gold and not the gold, but the mining and the crude oil. And on our market, it's still the pullback that is continuing, reaching now the trend line within the triangle formation. Same thing on the Dow Jones and also on the SPY, and the TSX then is breaking out because of the good performance of many sectors. And the thing is, I don't know why the Canadian market is going so well, because the GDP was a little bit better than the last one, but not as good as the analysts expected, and the retail sales were the same, good, better, but not as good as they expected. So, it's a fact that there are many things happening. First of all, we don't see that very often, but I said that over the years, when the worst market is doing better, things are going good. So the venture market is breaking out of the downtrend, and the TX 60, so the 60 largest companies are breaking out. The TX 40, the mid cap and the small cap are all breaking out. So so the crude oil is beginning a new bullish cycle with a little bit still of potential, while the gas that was going down this morning now seems like it could follow the same thing. So it's a good thing. So we'll look at that a little bit later, technically wise, and we have a few. Financial result. Micron is going down, even though they had 1 cent better in earnings, but 26% less in sales. And Nike was going up on 4 cents more earnings and 4% increase in sales. Probably not as good as they expected. Cliff is going up, but the whole sector is going up, and they reported having sold their coal assets in North America for $268 million. And the FDA has approved one of the cure from AstraZeneca. And that's the reason why AstraZeneca is going up. We have another stock in movement here. It was in movement. That was Wyland this morning. The stock has been halted from 11 to 11:45 because of a pending news, and they made a deal about something. I think it's on Wi-Fi or whatever, but they had a deal with Netflix, and since the stock went down, so WIN. So the stock has lost half of its movement, but still a very positive movement. So let's look at the energy USO breakout this morning. That did provoke a lot of breakouts. So I'm going to do a little update on it. I had 30 of them a little bit earlier. Let me find that out now. And how many do we have? Well, we have so many. No, that I should. No, that's here. Oh, okay. I'll be back in a second. Actually, 30 stock broke out in the energy sector this morning. Trinidad, Extreme, Secure, Shawcor, but not all of them kept going though. The refiners are among the best with Imperial Oil and Suncor. And as I said, the crude oil is beginning a new bullish cycle, and the gas may do it as well as it's approaching the top of the sideways movement of the last few days. The gold this morning, let's see this that way. The gas is also is doing good too. Look at USO at the top of the day again. So that would be very positive if it would break out in the afternoon. And but the stock has gone up twice this morning, and it's going straight flat since that time. But what happened on the gold is this morning the gold failed twice. And but the gold stock were going up, so we were recommending HGD to play the gold down, and then when the gold got back here and reversed again, so we said the same thing. So there was two places to buy HGD this morning, and which is the bearish bid of row on the gold stocks, and but actually there was quite a bit of upward movement in many sectors this morning, but now it seems like we have reached the top, and there's quite a bit of a profit taking right now, not on the energy sector, which rose and stays at its top, but the materials are coming down because of the gold that failed finally. And after making a few bullish cycle, it's now the turn of consumer discretionary to come back down, and I expect a few sector to encounter some profit taking in the afternoon. So I'm not sure we're going to stay as high as we are right now, because I think it's a little bit exaggerated for the result that we've got. So so look at the Nasdaq market that's now coming down, and I think we're gonna see a little bit more of profit taking on all of those markets this afternoon. And we had a few stock also that went good this morning, which is BlackBerry, that rose quite a little bit at the beginning. Tech has made a nice ride for a while. I'm going to show you that in a minute. But it seems like all of that is over. You know, the sector has been going up for 4 days already. So, we have to be prudent in buying now after that much of increase in the mining sector. And there was Darian also this morning that went up still because they have been approved yesterday by the Quebec government to go ahead with their phosphate project in northern Lac Saint-Jean. So we do have it about top right now on the crude oil, so I'm not expecting it to go any further than that this afternoon. I think we have gone up enough in this movement, but it's been a nice day today to use HOU and HOD for day trading, as well as HGU and HGD for the gold. And HNU also for the gas just recently, just past 12 o'clock, has made quite a nice ride. And but so far, as I said, it's making a top everywhere. So it seems like we are changing direction right now on the financials and also the industrials, which has increased. As far as I'm concerned, a little bit too much for the information we've got today. So, but who knows about the crude oil? Maybe the crude oil will do some more increases this afternoon. So we just have to check that and profit of it.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We do have a few questions here. Pierre bought 200 AFN. AG Growth International at 29.30. Big resistance at 38. Oh yeah, but you're still far away, Pierre. So far, it's okay. The volume isn't great because we're just before the holidays, but still there will be a sell signal at 31.75, and on the breakout here, it could even be another buy signal to go to 38. But of course, at 38 something, 38, 38.50. It's going to end there, and then that's where it's going to be the battle in between buyer and sellers, and then the next buy signal would happen at $40. Oh, Bear, thank you, Bear. Best wishes throughout the holiday season to all the Decision Plus team, and thank you from our part. We wish you the same, my friend. And presently, which is better, by tech or FM? I'd say they're probably quite the same. In the past, I always liked more FM than tech, and still FM is showing a stronger movement, except that it's getting a little bit far to buy this movement already, because the stock went from under 4 to 6. So that is 50% over increase already. So it is now susceptible to begin some correction or profit taking somewhere. So as far as I'm concerned, it's getting far to buy this movement in swing trading. SCA is a go. I doubt it. Oh no, okay, that's not what I meant. What I thought. If you look at the whole sector, the sector is breaking out, while Ancana was breaking down yesterday and then neutralizing now this last bearish signal. But the stock hasn't reversed its downtrend as opposed to most of the stocks in the sector right now. So I'm not quite sure about that. It's nice if we have it, we would hold it because now it's going up. But buying it at this level, I would think it looks good when you look on a 1 minute chart today. But if you look at it this way, I'd rather wait until the stock stabilize around 715 and then break out again, reversing its downtrend, because so far it's just a big neutral zone of trading range of about 5 days. Buy and hold. Oh, buy no, not buy and hold. Buy HOD at 17. HOD. No, not there. HOD goes with USO. Okay, so when USO goes up, HOD goes down. So HOD is going down today because the crude oil is going up. So you bought it at 17, and you haven't. Let's presume this bullish movement we saw provoking like a 30 breakout in the sector. It could be a little rally on it. So there is no sell signal yet on your HOD, but if you look at it this way, I would definitely reduce or even flush the position under 1875, and because we never know if HOD maintain its movement there until here, you're probably get on the negative side with this position. So I would reduce it at least by half now. So this is it for today. So we are, and it's the last show before Christmas. So I wish you everyone a very Merry Christmas and have fun.